food wore off.
Trade downs this?
If anyone needs Iker wings, trade me immediately as soon as we get in.
What the fuck? She has a +1.
Oh, bastard. Cairo has the record.
Oh, what the fuck? 16 adventures? What the hell? They did that on purpose. I hate us.
Oh wow, he's close.
Moose. I'm still gonna kill you.
No being funny right now. We're taking this very serious. This is serious business.
Serious
I've had to
business,
hold-
guys. Fuck.
I've had to hold back from making stupid comments for a while now, just because I feel it's inappropriate.
Alright, so
For what?
I'll take myself out and beat myself up later. Refresh for you,
Nice
Cozy.
one, Moods.
I had to. Lotta told me to do it.
Oh, I think I'll go ahead and use my job ability for resistance against him. Negative etho. What I'm going to do is I'm going to 2-hour jump him for defense down.
Dude.
As soon as my 2-hour wears, I can Argon him and actually keep defense down on him for 2 minutes flat.
He's only gonna be
That's
alive for
awesome.
like,
Like, use your
45
head.
seconds, Urban.
Yeah, I'm sure Etho was just trying to say keep it down as much as possible. Hello, mantra. Fuck.
I will.
Why are you missing so much MP? HP? MP? Who cares?
Like, who, me? HP?
Yeah.
Because no one's cured me yet?
What?
Is Priscilla the only one
I
sleeping
need
for
yours.
TP? That's kind of failure.
I ain't got no Oopa Oopa necklace on me. It's on my mule.
Coulda talked about this.
Could have got mine for you, and brought
Are we
you
doing songs already?
sleeping potions.
I don't think
No.
anyone did that. Soul Boys. So I guess whenever person's done sleeping is TP.
Wait, so
Maybe,
the only TD sleeping TP is Paladin?
I'm meditating mine.
Oh, well that's like
Going.
then.
Rest, do you have sleep or not?
No, I don't. I don't want a weapon skill.
Yeah, he doesn't want to. He's gonna be 100 fisting / dark, and if he does Azure Fist, he's gonna have like
Too late.
100.
Use Shiki.
100.
Well, you could start with the certain fist, okay?
Yeah, I'll start with one. That's fine.
You'll start with it and then 2 hour. That makes sense.
Yeah, I wouldn't. I might not even do it. I'll get more damage off with my Soul Eater 100 Fist.
Well, it'd be acceptable to just Azure Fist and then pop your 2 hours with Soul Eater. You wouldn't lose any
Yeah.
HP and just add the damage.
I'll get my turn fist off.
Bahamut's gonna get Rick rolled right now, dude. He's gonna be like, oh hi guys, blue pearls, what the fuck? What up, now? He's gonna be like blue pearls, lol. He's gonna be like, ugh.
Yeah. Such a...
Just happy we got Fate.
Yeah, me too. I was just gonna be sitting there whiffing.
Fucking shapping out your ass.
Side just
Additional effect when damage.
I want to break Cairo's fucking record.
It's funny, Kairos name's up there.
Cairo's record is already passed, but
Yeah.
Got 8K clubs.
exactly.
Oh. That's quite a few.
A lot of your mage fully knows to hasty, right?
Who dropped from my party?
It's okay, it's Fushiki.
Who do I need to pick back up?
Alright, no one get nervous. This is simple. I'll be CS stunning. He's not gonna do anything. He's just gonna be sitting there like a little bitch. Can I slash Evo and laugh at him, or do you think he'll aggro me? No, wait, this would be a perfect 5 for 5 picture.
You want me to take it for you?
Right now I'm debating whether I should go for neg impulse drive or wheeling thrust. I'm begging wheeling thrust.
FFX guys, I've been waiting to WC for like 20 minutes now.
We gave you time.
There you go. I got it. I got my screenshot. Yeah, top. I'm gonna submit that as my 5/5 pick, and then I'll just do Ranger in the other area.